Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer hitch receiver, AM/FM satellite radio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend explains, on the road, the Silverado was exceptionally pleasant to drive. The ride was very smooth for a truck, and bumps and pavement imperfections were soaked up nicely. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.